Welcome to day 6 of our summer sketches. Today we're going to be drawing an adorable tiger using the numbers 0, 6, and 1. Let's get started. We're going to draw our numbers first. We're going to start with the 0 right in the center. And up a little, we're going to do the number 0. And for the number 6, I'm going to just do a slight little twist of my paper. It's going to be angled ever so slightly. So I'm going to touch the 0, come down and make my number 6. And then I'm going to straighten my page out. And we're going to come over to this other side and do the number 1. We're going to just go straight down for this number 1. All right, let's grab our pencil and get to work on the details. I'm going to start with the ears up at the top, and the tiger's ears are going to be kind of like triangles, little soft rounded triangles. Soft triangles. And then you're going to do another triangle in the center. Okay. Next I'm going to draw the eyes, and I'm going to do something a little different today with the eyes. Let's learn how to do a new eyeball. We're going to do a circle for the eye. Then we're going to go inside just a little. Draw another circle. Keep your pencil on the page. Then draw a tiny circle at the top. And we're going to color in this bottom part here. So I'm going to do it again. This is new. Okay, so for the other eye, we're going to draw our circle. And we're going to go inside. Draw another circle, keep your pencil down, and at the top we're going to draw one more tiny circle at the top. Okay, and then we're going to color the inside. And guys, I use pencils so that if we need to erase a little bit, we can, and it's no big deal. Let me draw, I'm going to do an eyeball right over here so you can see it a little bit bigger. So there's going to be your main circle here. Main eye circle. Then you're going to come in just a little, draw another circle inside, keep your pencil at the top and draw one more small circle. That's how you get these nice little kind of cartoonish eyes. And you color in. It's actually probably better to see with this marker, so let's try this. Another circle on the inside and around. And it takes practice. Look at how cool of an eye that is. I wanted to teach you guys. So okay, we're gonna practice here. I'm not really liking this one. I'm just gonna erase that. We're gonna do it over again. Take your time. And then when I do this one over again with the marker, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that they are a little bit more similar. Okay, let's do the nose. I kind of do a little oval and then come down and make it a point. And I'm going to have a friendly tiger. And I'll give her a couple whiskers. And let's see, down here we're going to come up and make a tail. This is going to be the back leg here, so we're going to do a paw. And we're going to draw the line for the leg here. And this is the front paw. Okay. I'm going to draw a little, because tigers usually have a little bit of a white mouth, so I'm going to draw that and we'll leave that white. So then to make it a tiger, you've got to give the tiger stripes, right? So we're going to draw a lot of V shapes. So big V, little V's. And you're just kind of gonna do that on the sides of its face. We're gonna go along the ears. I'm gonna make the end of my tail black, and then I'm gonna start my V shapes. And I hope you guys have been joining along all month so far. We are 6 days in, can you believe it? I have been loving seeing everybody's drawings. You guys are getting so good. Okay, I think it's time to outline. All right, so we're gonna get our marker. Let's go, and I'm gonna start with the eyes. And the nose. And if you want, guys, you can't message me on YouTube, but if you go to my Instagram page, you could message me your requests if you have any for drawings, because I had one of my favorite little campers requested this tiger today. He said it was his favorite. So as you can see, I'm drawing in this notebook, and if you guys have a notebook, you could do each drawing every day and keep them all in your notebook. That way you can kind of look back to see your progress over the month, see if you got better at drawing. Oh my goodness, how cute! So I'm gonna grab my eraser and just erase a couple little lines. And I'm gonna make my tiger orange. Ta-da! And there you have it, guys. Adorable. Ta-da! I hope you guys give it a try at home, and don't forget to log in tomorrow and see our next drawing.